The song Sledgehammer. I'm a big fan of Sledgehammer, Peter Gabriel. Why do you love that song so much?
I love it because, I think it's like the best mixed song ever. It just sounds incredible.
You mean the record itself?
The record itself. Yeah, and also, we recorded a lot of the new album at Real World, which is Peter Gabriel's studio in England.
Was that because you love the sound of his records?
I mean, it's an amazing studio.
Yeah.
And we wanted to get out of London. But we all got in there and we just wanted to blast Sledgehammer in the room so bad. And we were like, do you mind if we do it? And the guys working there were like, everybody does it. Go ahead. And we just like absolutely cranked it.
Let's do a little Sledgehammer.
Okay.
Because you love this song.
Yeah.
I'm excited to hear this.
Flying